ब्रह्मनाथ। ओ शांति शांति शांति। Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss the derivative using logarithm. Derivative using logarithm. This is the second class of derivative using logarithm. In first class also we read the derivative of function using logarithm, type 1 and type 2. So what is type 1? Type 1 is y is equal to variable to power variable, that is fx to power gx. So in this case, taking log on both sides, therefore log y is equal to log fx to power gx is equal to gx log fx, because log of m to power n is equal to n log m. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, so d by dx of log y is equal to d by dx of gx log fx. But d by dx of log y means 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to d by dx of product of two rule, product rule, that is gx into log fx. So gx is one function, log fx is another function. So use u into v formula. So therefore dy by dx is equal to y into curly bracket d by dx of gx whole into log fx plus gx into d by dx of log fx, where y is equal to fx to power gx. This is the type 1. Type 2, if f of x, if y is equal to fx to power gx plus or minus hx to power kx. So in this case we take u is equal to fx to power gx and v is equal to hx to power kx. Therefore y is equal to u plus or minus v, dy by dx equal to du by dx plus or minus dv by dx, where u is equal to fx to power gx and v is equal to hx to power kx. एटा को भी कौन करिवो, सिर्फ टाइप 1 आंसर du by dx बाहर करिवो, dv by dx बाहर करिवो, इक्वेशन 1 नहीं पुट करिवो. तो ये ला टाइप 2. तो नेक्स्ट तो आज कौन के देखा मैं टाइप 3 करिवो. टाइप 3 व्हाट, if y is equal to means y is a function, y is a complex function. Complex function means what? Now it contains many product term, division, power. These are called complex function. So this is f1x to power g1x into f2x to power g2x divided by f3x to power g3x into f4x to power g4x. This is the complex function. So find what? Find dy by dx. Solution. Given y is equal to f1x to power g1x into f2x to power g2x divided by f3x to power g3x into f4x to power g4x. Taking log on both sides. Taking log means base e, logarithm on both sides. Therefore log y is equal to log of f1x to power g1x into f2x to power g2x divided by f3x to power g3x into f4x to power g4x. So E is equal to log of m by n is equal to log m minus log n. Log of, this is m, this is n. Log of m by n is equal to log of m minus log of n. log of m by n equal log m minus log n. Again log of m into n is equal to log m plus log n. Log of m into n is equal to log of m into plus into log of n. This also log of m into n means log m plus log n, but अगर माइनस अच्छी तो इट इज कौन बोथ आर माइनस log f3x to power g3x minus log f4x to power g4x. Again log of m to power n, log of m to power n is equal to n log m means power टा आगु आसी is equal to g1x log f1x plus g2x into log f2x minus g3x into log f3x minus g4x into log f4x. So this is log y. Log y. So differentiating both side with respect to x. Differentiating both side with respect to x. Differentiating both side with respect to x. Differentiating both side with respect to x, we get dy dx of log y is equal to dy dx of g1x into log f1x plus dy dx of g2x into log f2x plus dy dx of minus, this is minus g3x into log f3x minus dy dx of g4x into log f4x. So this implies this is 1 by y into dy by dx. dy by dx of log y is 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to it use करियो product rule u into v. u into v सब जगह कौन पकड़े u into v. u means g1x, v means log f1x. So use u into v formula. So this is dy by dx of g1x whole into log f1x plus g1x into dy by dx of log f1x plus similarly आपको u into v बको g dy by dx of g2x into log f2x plus g2x into dy by dx of log f2x minus dy by dx of g3x whole into log f3x minus g3x into dy by dx of log f3x minus dy by dx of g4x into log f4x minus g4x into dy by dx of log f4x. This is 1 by y into dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx is equal to y into dy by dx is equal to y into this y into a total. This is dy by dx where y is equal to f1x to power g1x into f2x to power g2x into f3x to power g3 divided by f3x to power g3x by into f4x to power g4x. This is type 3. So basing on type 3 we shall means we are going to discuss some problems. Application of type 3. Application of type 3. Differentiate 1 x to power half 1 minus 2x to power 2 by 3 डिवाइड बाय 2x माइनस 1 पावर 2 इंटू 3x प्लस 1 पावर 3 2 x माइनस 1 इंटू x माइनस 2 स्क्वायर इंटू x माइनस 3 क्यूब डिवाइड बाय x प्लस 1 इंटू x प्लस 2 स्क्वायर इंटू x प्लस 3 क्यूब 3 this is 3 square root of x plus 2 into 3x square minus 1 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6 4 sin x to power x into x plus half into e to power x. This is e to power x no है, this is x square plus 1 power 2 into 3x plus 1 power 2 by 3. तो ऑल आर कॉम्प्लेक्स फंक्शन सॉल्व करे कही तो सॉल्यूशन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 तो मुझे गोटे क्वेश्चन ही करी तो क्वेश्चन नंबर ठीक अच्छे 3टा कर दूँ टे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 गोटे हम लेट y इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x प्लस 2 इंटू 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 1 डिवाइड बाई x square minus 5x plus 6. So taking log on both side, we get log y. Log y is equal to log of x plus 2 into 3x square minus 1 divided by this is x square minus 5x plus 6 whole power half. So log of m to power n means n log m. So this implies log of y is equal to half into log of this is x plus 2 into 3x square minus 1 divided by this is x minus 2 into x minus 3. Okay. Next, so log y is equal to log of m by n. Log of m by n. This is the log m. Log of m by n means log m minus log n minus log n. Log m minus log n, so is equal to log of x plus 2, log of m into n is equal to log m plus log n minus ये भी log of m into n means log m minus log n, log m plus log n. तो अगर मानिए दे तो log of x minus 2 minus log of x minus 3. Okay, so differentiating both sides with respect to x. We get d by dx of log y is equal to d by dx of log x plus 2 plus d by dx of log 3x square minus 1 minus d by dx of log x minus 2 minus d by dx of log x minus 3. But dy by dx of log y, dy by dx of log y is 1 by y into dy by dx. So dy by dx of log y means 1 by y into dy by dx. is equal to d by dx of log fx. D by dx of log fx is equal to 1 by fx into d by dx of fx. 1 by fx into d by dx of fx. Second also same, 1 by 3x square minus 1 into d by dx of 3x square minus 1 minus 1 by x minus 2 into d by dx of x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 3 into d by dx of x minus 3. So implies dy by dx is equal to y into curly bracket 1 by x plus 2, derivative of x plus 2 is 1, plus 1 by 3x square minus 1, derivative of 3x square is 6x, derivative of 1 is 0, so this is into 6x, minus 1 by x minus 2, derivative of x minus 2 is 1, again minus 1 by x minus 3 and derivative of x minus 3 is 1. So this is the dy by dx, where y is equal to y ro value put karibo, y is equal to square root of x minus x plus 2 into 3x square minus 1 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6. So this is the derivative of third number question. Similarly, you can do question number 1, 2 and 4. Same. This is y taking log on both sides. This is also same. So here is question number 1, 2 and 4. Okay. Next question. So you will do question number 1, 2 and 4. Next question. Next question number 1. Differentiate x plus 1 by x power x plus x to power 1 plus 1 by x. Second number x to power x square plus 3 plus x minus 3 to power x square, x minus 3 to power s cube. Okay, so question number 1, let y is equal to x plus 1 by x to power x plus x to power 1 plus 1 by x. ऑलरेडी ये टाइप क्वेश्चन आम आगु करते गोटा को u एंड गोटा को v निया तो लेट दिस इज u एंड दिस इज v, देयरफॉर y इज इक्वल टू u प्लस v एंड dy by ds इक्वल टू du by ds प्लस dv by ds. dy by ds इक्वल टू du by ds प्लस कौन dv by dx. तो ठीक अच्छे, लेट u इज इक्वल टू x प्लस 1 by x पावर x एंड v is equal to x to power 1 plus 1 by x. Therefore y is equal to u plus v. This implies dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. This is equation 1. Now what is u? U is equal to x plus 1 by x to power x. X plus 1 by x to power x. Differentiating both side with respect to x. Differentiating both side with respect to x. So taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. 80 log on the log of y u is equal to log of x plus 1 by x to the power x. So this implies log of u is equal to, this is x log, this is x square plus 1 by x. So implies log of u is equal to x curly bracket log of x square plus 1 minus log x. X square plus 1 minus log x. Log of m by n is equal to log m minus log n. So differentiating both sides with respect to x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. So differentiating both sides with respect to x means what? So this is dy dx of log u is equal to d by dx of x into log of x square plus 1 minus log x. Minus log x. So imply this is 1 by u into du by dx. This is 1 by u into du by dx is equal to d by dx. This is u, whole 1 is v. This is u, x is u, whole 1 is v. So dx by dx into v means, so dx by dx into v means log x square plus 1 minus log x plus x into, this is d by dx of log x square plus 1 minus d by dx of log x. So implies 1 by u into du by dx is equal to, this is 1. So simply log x square plus 1 minus log x plus x into derivative of log fx means 1 by fx into 1 by fx into derivative of fx. So by x square plus 1 into d by dx of x square plus 1. This is the minus 1 by x. Minus 1 by x. Sorry. X into, this is 1 by x square plus 1 into d by dx of x square plus 1 minus 1 by x. So this is, so therefore du by dx is equal to, du by dx is equal to u into log of x square plus 1 minus log x, multiply this plus x by x square plus 1 into 2x minus 1 minus 1. This is the du by dx, where u is equal to x plus 1 by x to the power x plus 1 by x to the power x. Next v also v is equal to x to power 1 plus 1 by x. So log v is equal to log of x to power 1 plus 1 by x. So this implies log v is equal to 1 plus 1 by x into log x. So d by dx of log v is equal to d by dx of 1 plus 1 by x into log x derivative. So this is 1 by v into dv by dx. So this is d by dx of u into v formula. So d by dx of u into log x plus 1 by x into d by dx of log x. d by dx of log x. So implies dv by dx is equal to v into dv by dx is equal to v into d by dx of 1 is 0, derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Minus 1 by x square into log x. derivative of 1 0, derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square into log x plus 1 plus 1 by x, 1 plus 1 by x, and derivative of log x is 1 by x. So this is a dv by dx. Now put the value of du by dx and dv by dx in equation 1. Put the value of du by dx and dv by dx in equation 1, we get required derivative. Put the value of du by dx and dv by dx in equation 1, we get required derivative. Okay, so this is question number 1. Similarly we can do question number 2. Using this way you can do also question number 2. There are another method to find the derivative of fx to power gx. Another method. Question number 2, let y is equal to x to power x square plus 3 plus x minus 3 to power x cube. Method 2 means what? We know u to power v means e to power v ln u. U to power v means e to power v ln u. This is another method. U to power v means e to power v ln u. This is u to power v. So is equal to u to power v. This is u, x is u, v is x square plus 3. So v ln u, v means power and the first v, sorry, e to power v, v means x square plus 3, ln u, u means x, ln means log, जार डेरिवेटिव इज e, log base e को हमें कौन कहबा ln कहबा. तो दिस इज ln x प्लस ये विषय u to power v means e to power v ln u. So this is y, differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of e to power x square plus 3 ln x plus e d by dx of e to power sq ln x minus 3. But we know that d by dx of e to power fx is equal to e to power fx into derivative of fx. अर्थ e to power fx डेरिवेटिव कहले e to power fx डेरिवेटिव ऑफ पावर. तो दिस इज इक्वल टू e to power fx into डेरिवेटिव ऑफ पावर. पावर मीन्स x स्क्वायर प्लस 3 into ln x. ये विषय है e to power sq ln x minus 3 into d by dx of power sq into ln x minus 3. This is another type. Okay. अच्छा, e is equal to again e to power v ln u. Again e to power v ln u means u to power v. So this is x to power x square plus 3. X to power x square plus 3. जहाँ जी शेयर रहेगा. Into this is u into v formula. So d by dx of u plus x square plus 3 into d by dx of v. This also ये भी same. E to power v ln u means u to power v. This is x minus 3 to power s cube. X minus 3 to power s cube. X minus 3 to power s cube into x minus 3 to power s cube. S cube into dy dx of u. This is u into v formula. S cube into ln x minus 3 plus s cube into dy dx of ln x minus 3. So implies dy by dx is equal to x to power x square plus 3 into curly bracket d by dx of x square is 2x, d by dx of 3 is 0 because 3 is constant. This is 2x ln x plus x square plus 3 into 1 by x plus x minus 3 to power x cube into d by dx of s cube means 3x square. 3x square ln x minus 3 plus s cube into 1 by x minus 3 into derivative of x minus 3 is 1. So this is du by dx. This is another method. Taking e to power. Again u to power v is equal to e to power v ln u. E to power v ln u. So you can take this method also. So you can find the derivative using this method also. Next question. If f of x is equal to x plus 1 into x square plus 1 into x fourth plus 1 into x to the power 8 plus 1, find f dash 1. F dash 1 means derivative of fx at x is equal to 1. फर्स्ट बाहर कर डेरिवेटिव तापर x जगह 1 पकेगा. अच्छा देखो सॉल्यूशन देखो fx कंटेन्स प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 4 टर्म्स. fx कंटेन्स प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 4 टर्म्स. जेहेतु मेनी प्रोडक्ट टर्म्स आर देयर तो टेकिंग लॉग ऑन बोथ साइड. तो कौन करिबा सॉल्यूशन गिवन fx is equal to x plus 1 into x square plus 1 into x fourth plus 1 into x to the power 8 plus 1. Taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. We get log fx is equal to log of x plus 1 into x square plus 1 into x fourth plus 1 into x to the power 8 plus 1. So implies log of fx is equal to log of m into n into p into q. Log of m into n into p into q means log m plus log n plus log p plus log q. So log of m plus log of n plus log of p plus log of q. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get d by dx of log fx is equal to d by dx of log x plus 1 plus d by dx of log x square plus 1 plus d by dx of log x fourth plus 1 plus d by dx of log x to the power 8 plus 1. But d by dx of log fx is d by dx of log fx is 1 by fx into derivative of fx. So this is 1 by fx into d by dx of fx. ये भी सही है 1 by x plus 1 into derivative of x plus 1. This is also same x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 into d by dx of x square plus 1. Also is equal to 1 by x fourth plus 1 into d by dx of x fourth plus 1. plus 1 by x to power 8 plus 1 into d by dx of x to power 8 plus 1. So implies d by dx of fx is f dash x. D by dx of fx is f dash x. F dash x is equal to fx is multiplied with right side. fx टा कौन करिया multiply करिया right side सहित. तो fx into this is 1 by x plus 1. Derivative of x plus 1 is 1. Derivative of x square is 2x. This is 2x by x square plus 1 because derivative of 1 is 0. Similarly, this is 4s cube. 4s cube by x fourth plus 1. And this is 8x to power 7 divided by x to power 8 plus 1. So this is f dash x. So f dash x आसीगला. But आम कौन दरकार f dash 1 दरकार. तो put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. We get f dash 1 is equal to f of 1 into 1 by 2, 2 by 2, x 1 पड़ला 1 by 1 square plus 1 plus 4 by 2 plus 8 by 2. So but f of 1 is what? Is equal to f of 1. This is 8 plus 4 12 plus 2 14 plus 1 15 by 2. But f of 1 means here put x is equal to 1. X there 1 put karo. So this is 1 plus 1. This also 1 square plus 1. 1 fourth plus 1. 1 to 8 plus 1. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 16. So put here f of 1 equal to 16 put. 15 by 2. So 8 into 15 is equal to what? 120. Therefore, f dash 1 is equal to 120. F dash 1 is equal to 120. Next, another question. Next question. Differentiate 1 minus 2x. 1 minus 2x to the power 2 by 3 into 1 plus 3x. 1 plus 3x to the power 3 by 4 into 1 minus 4x. 1 minus 4x to the power 4 by 3 divided by 1 minus 6x to the power 3 by 16 into 1 plus 7x to the power 6 by 7 into 1 minus 8x to the power 7 by 9. 1 minus 8x to the power 7 by 9 plus cot inverse 3 sin x square minus 4 cos x square divided by 3 cos x square plus 4 sin x square. Okay, differentiate this. This is a long question. So in council examination, this type of long questions are come in council examination. The solution. So in this case, let u is equal to, let y is equal to 1 minus 2x to the power 2 by 3 into 1 plus 3x to the power 3 by 4 into 1 minus 4x to the power 4 by 3 divided by 1 minus 6x to the power 3 by 16 into 1 plus 7x to the power 6 by 7 into 1 minus 8x to the power 7 by 9 plus this is cot inverse 3 sin x square minus 4 cos x square divided by 4 sin x square plus 3 cos x square. तो कौन करिया ना दिस इज u नबा दिस इज कौन नबा v देयर y is equal to u plus v. So this implies dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx where u is equal to 1 minus 2x to the power 2 by 3 into 1 plus 3x to the power 3 by 4 into 1 minus 4x to the power 4 by 3 divided by 1 minus 6x to the power 3 by 16 into 1 plus 7x to the power 6 by 7 into 1 minus 8x to the power 7 by 9. This is u. And v is equal to cot inverse 3 sin x square minus 4 cos x square divided by 4 sin x square plus 3 cos x square. So since u is equal to this and u is a complex function that is taking having more product term also power, so taking log on both sides. So taking log on both sides, we get log of u is equal to direct log of this is 1 minus 2x to the power 2 by 3 1 plus 3x to the power 3 by 4 1 minus 4x power 4 by 3 divided by 1 minus 6x power 3 by 16 into 1 plus 7x power 6 by 7 into 1 minus 8x power 7 by 9. This is log u. But log of m by n is equal to log m minus log n, and log of m into n into p is equal to log m plus log n plus log p. Also log of m to power n is n log m. तो पावर थे पावर आगू पड़ा आसो इंटू थे प्लस हम बै थे कौन हम माइनस हम. तो यूज कर दिस फॉर्मूला. So therefore log u is equal to this is 2 by 3 log डायरेक्ट कर दूँ मु 2 by 3 log 1 minus 2x पावर टा आगु आसीगला log 1 minus 2x इंटू अच्छी इंटू थे कौन हम प्लस पावर आगु आना 3 by 4 log 1 plus 3x इंटू अच्छी प्लस हम पावर आगु आसीगला 4 by 3 log 1 minus 4x बाई अच्छी तो माइनस हम माइनस 3 by 16 आगु आसी बिकॉज पावर तो log 1 minus 6x ये भी बाई अच्छी कौन हम माइनस 6 by 7 log 1 plus 7x माइनस बाई अच्छी तो 7 by 9 log 1 minus 8x. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get 1 by u into du by dx. 1 by u into du by dx is equal to 2 by 3 is constant. So d by dx of log 1 minus 2x. This also 3 by 4 is constant. d by dx of log 1 plus 3x. 1 plus 3x. Next 4 by 3 is constant. d by dx of log 1 minus 4x. Minus 3 by 16 constant. d by dx of log 1 minus 6x. Minus 6 by 7 constant. dy dx of log 1 plus 7x minus 7 by 9 into dy dx of log 1 minus 8x. So implies dy dx is equal to u into 2 by 3 log fx means 1 by fx into derivative of fx. So 1 by fx means 1 by 1 minus 2x into derivative of 1 minus 2x. 1 minus 2x. This is also 3 by 4 into 1 by 1 plus 3x into dy dx of 1 plus 3x. dy dx of 1 plus 3x. Plus 4 by 3 log fx also 1 by 1 minus 4x into dy dx of 1 minus 4x minus 3 by 16 into 1 by 1 minus 6x into derivative of 1 minus 6x. Okay, minus 6 by 7 into 1 by 1 plus 7x into dy dx of 1 plus 7x minus 7 by 9 into 1 by 1 minus 8x into dy dx of 1 minus 8x. Okay, so E is equal to u into curly bracket 2 by 3, derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of minus 2x is minus 2. So this is minus 2 by 1 minus 2x. Similarly, derivative of 1 plus 3x is 3, so plus 3 by 4 into 3 by 1 plus 3x. Similarly, 4 by 3 derivative of 1 minus 4x is minus 4. So minus 4 by 1 minus 4x. Next, this is a minus 3 by 16. And derivative of 1 minus 6x is minus 6. So minus 6 by 1 minus 6x. Next, minus 6 by 7. Derivative of 1 plus 7x is 7. 7 by 1 plus 7x. Minus 7 by 9. Derivative of 1 minus 8x is minus 8 by 1 minus 8x. This is, therefore, du by dx is equal to du by dx is equal to minus 4 by 3 minus u into minus 4 by 3 minus 6x, so plus 9 by 4 plus 12x minus 16 by 3 minus 12x, 3 minus 12x. This is minus minus plus, plus 2 to cancel, so 3 3 9, 9 by 2 cancel 8 above, 8 minus 48x, the 7 7 cancel, minus 6 by 1 plus 7x, this is plus 56, 56 by 9 minus 78x. This is du by dx where u is given. Again, V is equal to cot inverse. What is V? V is equal to cot inverse 3 sin x square minus 4 cos x square divided by 4 sin x square minus 3 plus 3 cos x square. This is V. Find dv by dx. Achha, this is a cot inverse given, but cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by x. Cot inverse x is equal to what? Tan inverse 1 by x. So this is tan inverse 1 over 4 sin x square plus 3 cos x square divided by 3 sin x square minus 4 cos x square. Cot inverse, since cot इनवर्स x by y कहले tan इनवर्स y by x। अच्छा जेहेतु tan इनवर्स आसी गला तो सब ये जाड़ा आम 1 कर ट्राई करवा। तो डिवाइडिंग बोथ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय 3 sin x स्क्वायर। तो डिवाइडिंग बोथ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर, डिवाइडिंग both numerator and denominator by 3 sin x square। दिस इज सब यही जाड़ा को 1 करने ट्राए कर। तो 1 कले tan इनवर्स फॉर्मूला आसी। तो ठीक अच्छे बाई 3 sin x स्क्वायर बाई 3 sin x स्क्वायर सब 3 sin x स्क्वायर डिवाइड कर दियो। तो tan इनवर्स 4 sin x स्क्वायर बाई 3 sin x स्क्वायर, दिस इज 4 by 3 प्लस प्लस दिस इज 3 cos x स्क्वायर बाई 3 sin x स्क्वायर, 3 cos x स्क्वायर बाई 3 sin x स्क्वायर। तो 3 3 कैंसिल, cos बाई sin मीन्स cot, cot x स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाई 3 sin x स्क्वायर बाई 3 sin x स्क्वायर, दिस इज 1 माइनस 4 by 3 इंटू cot x स्क्वायर, 4 by 3 इंटू cot x स्क्वायर। अच्छा देखो दिस इज tan इनवर्स x प्लस y डिवाइड बाय 1 माइनस x इंटू y। tan इनवर्स x प्लस y बाय 1 माइनस xy इज इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स x प्लस tan इनवर्स y। तो दिस इज इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स x पहले 4 by 3 इज प्लस इज गिवन। तो दिस इज tan इनवर्स cot x स्क्वायर, tan इनवर्स cot x स्क्वायर। अच्छा तो इज इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स 4 by 3 प्लस tan इनवर्स cot थीटा कहले tan 90 माइनस थीटा, cot थीटा इक्वल tan 90 माइनस थीटा। तो इज इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स 4 by 3, tan इनवर्स tan कैंसिल रहा कौन पाई by 2 माइनस x स्क्वायर। तो दिस इज v, देयरफॉर differentiating both side with respect to x, since 4 is a constant 3 is a constant, so 4 by 3 is a constant, so tan inverse 4 by 3 also constant and derivative of tan inverse 4 by 3 is 0। so dv by dx is equal to d by dx of tan inverse 4 by 3 plus d by dx of pi by 2 minus d by dx of x square। so is equal to this is 0, this also 0, pi by 2 is constant minus 2x। ओके तो du by dx पाई गलो, dv by dx पाई गलो, dv by dx is equal to minus 2x। तो du by dx आसी गला, dv by dx आसीला। Put the value of du by dx and dv by dx in equation 1। Put the value of du by dx, put the value of du by dx and dv by dx in equation 1, we get required derivative, this is the solution, this is the solution। put the value of du by dx and dv by dx in equation 1, we get required derivative, and also put the value of u also। So this is the derivative using a logarithm function, it is completed। In next class we can do or we shall do derivative of implicit function। Okay।